Are you struggling to get past $10,000 per month as a freelancer? Are clients coming in from time to time? But is it mostly just feast or famine in an endless cycle where you get clients, then you lose them, then you need to look for new clients? Does everyone keep telling you to do outreach and write content to get clients, but those haven't proven effective? Has this led you to needing to focus too much on your existing clients to the point where it feels like you just have 5 or 6 different jobs and you're not really freelancing or have a real business? Well, let's solve all these issues and more and help you get past $10,000 per month and onwards to $50,000 per month, which is the next milestone. And by the way, this video is for those who believe hard work is the baseline, not optional. This isn't a video for cheap tricks to try to grow as a freelancer only. I want you to build a business using what I'm telling you. I've helped hundreds of agencies grow from $10,000 per month to beyond. Now it's your turn. Click the subscribe button and the bell notification icons to join our over 35,000 person community. The first habit to get to $50,000 per month will make some of you upset. It's to stop all the ineffective funnels and drop all the clients who aren't paying enough. You can do this in parts. You don't have to go to no revenue just because you're trying something new. Basically, you need to remove stuff from your business until you have 4 hours a day to focus on new and better processes. In other words, focus on building your business, not just working in your business. To fix the feast and famine issue where sometimes clients come in, but most of the time you're worried about closing the next sale, you obviously need consistent lead generation. This shouldn't be outreach or content writing for most people who are watching this because those funnels are way too difficult. I suggest freelancing sites like Upwork.com and Fiverr.com. The process is explained in one of the videos I linked to in the description below here on YouTube. As for focusing too much on existing clients, it's time to make a list of your existing clients and ranking them from good to bad. There are 2 categories. 1, how much they pay you and what your profit is. And 2, how pleasant are they to work with and do they have long-term potential with their business. The clients to get rid of when you're freeing up your time are clients who score badly in one or both of these. So once you have the available time and you're implementing some freelance platform inbound funnels, then you can fill your order book with clients who pay more and are a pleasure to work with and preferably sign up for retainers. Then it's time to automate lead generation delivery. Just doing these things like I've described them in combination with the lead generation processes in the videos below can get you from $10,000 per month to $50,000 per month as a freelancer and agency owner. Now, if you need help implementing this in your business, feel free to reach out to me and we'll chat. You can reach out to me via businessmentor.com. Okay, now it's time to go to the next video where we talk about lead generation. Click the video below to proceed and feel free to ask me questions in the comments.